We're gonna go out this morning, see if we can't lay down one of them big boys. They're out here at this place I'm going to. I've caught them, and we'll just see what we can do. This is what I'm gonna use today. Check it out. So here we go. I'm gonna throw a little fluke. Got a little fluke here. Got a little chatterbait action. I'm gonna lose the rods, they're gonna fall over. A couple little swim baits. Got two of them, two different colors, and then I got the old spinner bait. So see what we can do out here. I know I'm gonna have fun. It's Friday morning. I don't have to work today, so that's always fun. So fishing's always fun. And hope you guys are getting out and doing it and catching them. Spring has arrived, and get out there and enjoy your time on that water. So anyhow. Camera right in the right direction. Nice little fish there, guys. Number one. Get some big ones in there, guys. That's a big one. Oh, that's some big ones in there. Right there, huh? Not bad. Get right off the rocks. Nice one. Very good. Fish number one. Nice little fish. Good. Nice. There's a fish here. Yeah, good fish. Good fish there. Oh yeah. Good fish, guys. Yeah, that's nice. Let that dude go. Good fish, good action there. He's coming. He's coming. He's a giant, but it's fun to catch him. Nice fish, huh? Not a bad one. Well, check it out, guys. It's a wrap. Didn't catch that big girl today. Caught some good fish, though. Had a good time. And I'm going to catch some giants. I'm telling you, it's going to happen here. I've caught some good ones. I caught some good 2.5 pound, 3 pound. One of them was almost 3, I think. But, you know, it's fishing. but I enjoyed it. I caught several good fish. I went to 2 different places. So, that's a wrap, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love fishing, and I know you guys do too. Appreciate you watching Brian's Big Bass Adventures. I'm going to get something together here real soon here for this Meg giveaway. Got to put it together and line it all out. Make sure you tell your friends about it. Hit subscribe and like. And I like to give stuff away, man. So